We're not running, we're not going to hide from everything. That's going to be checked into at a later time.
Is there any way we can send a code red out to our Hunt residents asking them to find higher ground?
10-4, standby. We have to get that approved with our supervisor.
Hours into this is, that was upsetting.
How do you account for that lapse of time? What happened and what could have happened in that time?
As I've said earlier, with every significant event, we're going, with every emergency, we're going to have to, there's going to be an after action. Please, y'all, listen to those words, after action, okay?